Hello everyone, I am Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm located in Needham, Massachusetts, and I'm very happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about choosing the people to fill different roles within your estate plan. Basically, should you have one person fill all the roles, or should you split the roles up amongst various different people? But before I get to that, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, that's estateplanmeeting.com. Go to that website. You'll see my schedule. Pick a time that works great for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. So today's topic is the roles in your estate plan. People fulfilling certain roles within your estate plan. Should you have one person do everything, or should you split it amongst various different people? And there's really no right answer to that question. It really depends on the people that you're asking to fill those roles. For some people, if you have like a trust and you have your will and you have your durable power of attorney and your healthcare proxy, and all these people are all doing these, also one person serving all these roles, it can be overwhelming for that person. So it may make sense to split those up. Also, too, it could be depending on what their strengths are. If it's someone who makes sound financial decisions, then you may want to put them in the position to be your power of attorney or to be the trustee of your trust, because they're good with handling money. However, if that person may not be the best person that you'd want to making medical decisions on your behalf, then it may be best to find someone else to do that role. Once again, also regarding the personal representative of your will, should that be who should you have that be that person? A lot of times people have their spouse or a sibling or a close friend. It really depends on your own personal preference and kind of what you want and really what you think would be the best person to fill those roles. Sometimes being a personal representative can be an overwhelming experience because they have a lot of things to do. They have to settle your estate, pay off your debts, and sometimes certain people may not be able to fill that role. They may be overwhelmed by it, so they may not be a good choice. So really, the answer to that question is it depends. It really depends on the person fulfilling those roles. If it makes sense for you to have that one person fill various different roles, then that's something you can definitely do. If it makes sense to split up amongst different people based on their strengths, then you can do that as well. So really the choice is yours. And also another thing to remember is that even when you create your estate plan, you choose people to fill certain roles within your estate plan, you can always change those things down the line. So just because you name a person today for a certain role doesn't mean they have to be that person forever. You can always come in and change it. Some things are easier to change than others, but once again, nothing is set in stone. You can always make changes, and that's always something that you need to keep in mind with your estate planning documents, is that they aren't a set it and forget it type of situation. They are a document that may evolve over time as your life changes, as friendships changes, as relationships changes. You want to make sure that your estate plan still reflects what you want to happen, after you die, or if there's a position where you can't make decisions for yourself. So that's all for you today. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. If you have any questions about what I talk about today, or you want my help regarding estate planning, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, that's estateplanmeeting.com. Go to that website. You'll see my schedule and pick a time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that can benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. If you have a question or a comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. And if you want to hear more from me about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. I try to update this on a daily basis. So if you have questions regarding estate planning, subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to answer anything that you want to know about estate planning. Once again, I'm Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.